This is a tutorial on how to set up your payment methods in your Shopify store. You're obviously going to go to shopify.com, log in. When you log in, if you have multiple stores, you'll get that screen, or it'll require you to hit that screen and click through to the store that you're selecting. What you're going to do is go down to settings in the bottom left-hand corner, and you are going to make sure that you are on a plan. If you are on the temporary plan or whatever, it won't allow you to do this. So based on how many staff members you need, if you want shipping discounts or you need to connect to FedEx, you'll kind of have to select your plan based on that, and hit change plan, and then select the plan that's right for you based on the other aspects of your store. Under payments, you can then go and set up your payment methods. You'll have to connect your bank account so that you can receive the payments. It'll show you different discount levels, and as you go through higher levels of Shopify plans, your credit card rate will continually decrease, as will the additional transaction fees, or like the rate here of 30 cents. I believe it gets down to like 15 or 10 cents. So it does get substantially lower, with what we're talking about. Add your payment method here. You can search by provider or search by payment method. So if I was looking for PayPal, I would just select this and then continue with, I already have PayPal set up, so this is an alternative PayPal. You can see here's Visa, here's MasterCard. You can set up credit card methods, PayPal, Afterpay. You can see all of the different options here as you type them in, and run through what you need to set up. Amazon's on here, and different alternative checkout methods like Google Play or Apple Pay, where you can have them check out through their Amazon account, but you get their order and all of their information. You're just not storing as many credit cards through Shopify. So once you've done that, everything will, and you've connected your account, it'll show you whether it's active or not, and then you can, and you'll see your transaction fees if there's any additional transaction fees. You can also add manual payments if you are receiving payments through vendors or distributors. This then allows you to kind of have them check out there. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.